Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I want to show you how to change out the bulbs inside of this dome light. It has the two switched ones on the sides and then the center one. And it seems simple enough. You just pop this cover off, but where I can, I like to show you what's going on the inside so you don't break anything. And so if you look here at these tabs, you can tell that they kind of overlap right here. And so what we're trying to do is kind of spread them this way and then let them drop out so that you're not breaking them. And so that's something you can't quite see on this side when you're going to do that. So I just wanted to show you what's actually happening in here. So as we, basically it's pretty simple. You're just going to take a flathead screwdriver and get in here and start to pry it backwards like this. And once you get it to pretty much this point here where it's starting to come out, that's where, if you can, kind of pinch it so that it moves inward, and then the whole thing will lift out, and that way you won't break these tabs that are on here. So that's as simple as that. You remove that cover, and so then the bulb is actually this right here. It looks like a fuse, but it's actually a light bulb, and it simply just pops right out. So just pop it right back in. That's how you would change that one. These ones, a little more difficult to get to since they're recessed in there. So you want to take the screws out and actually take this off in order to get access to these ones. But they are in there a little bit better. So still kind of the fuse style here, but you can just kind of pop them out here, slide it out like that, and same principle. So just kind of get it in here and pop them back in. So that's how you would switch out your reading map lights as well as your center dome light. To put this back on, obviously you want it to line up the same way, and I've had a lot of luck with the whole flexing type method here. Just kind of pinch it together and it'll drop in a little bit easier. And that's how you can replace your bulbs and clean out all the bugs that get in here. So anyway, quick little video there, but thanks for watching.